prostituting themselves, users of drugs and workers of food. Why? Everybody's asking why? Everybody's asking why we stop loving one another. Or is it we don't understand each other? Could it be that we don't trust one another? Or is it the devil taking over? Could it be that we are doomed forever? Just don't be this never. Why? Everybody's asking why? Everybody's asking why? It's only one love alone shall heal the paper. It's only that love alone shall heal the paper. Yeah. It's only one love alone shall free the paper. Me and the people them a want to tongue and what a love attack. And them under the injustice and the racial war. The things that young youth them forgot about the king. Me see the bigger head a walla and a walla innocent. And the people them a follow and a do the same thing. But only them make shall inherit the earth. And if a man shall get free of having to be good. So if you say you love you happy so you from the heart. So it's only that I love alone shall free the paper. Yeah. It's only one love alone shall heal the paper. It's only that love alone shall heal the paper. Yeah. It's only one love alone shall free the paper. If I can move me to them teaching a fool. Now they look them get some other some and